Galactus may be the biggest miniature, but I'm saving the biggest box till last. This here is the Kickstarter bonus box. Oh, it's got to have some good ones inside. Come on, yo! Feel free to fast forward that bit. This is the good stuff. Oof. It's a great big box in a great big box. Okay. Come on. What are you open from? Oh. We got a bit of a different opening for this setup. Whoa! Nearly dropped them. So we got a great big stack of cards for all the new hero special moves and bystanders and everything else going on. We got a great big stack of extra heroes and zombie heroes. Zombie Wolverine. Here we got some beautiful specials. We got a Hulk, we got a Wasp, we got a War Machine, we got a Black Panther, we got a straight up Dr. Zoom, we got Loki, we got Juggernaut, we got Nightcrawler, we got Gambit, we got Beast, we got Iceman, we got Cyclops, we got Star-Lord, we got Hawkeye, we got Winter Soldier. Even the good guys, bad guys go good during the zombie apocalypse. We got Doc Ock, we got Carnage, Vulture, Moon Knight. Ah, these are just so cool. Kingpin, Luke Cage, Daredevil again, Electro, Lizard, Ghost Rider, more bystanders up top. And then the bottom tray. This is one of the ones I've been wanting to see. Phoenix. Oh man. Gonna have to find a way to separate her to be able to paint the back end, hey? So cool. Ooh, your zombie Ant-Man has been strapped in. Zombie Magneto. And there's me forgetting that he was even part of it. Zombie Storm. This is a full zombie tray. What a decent zombie tray it is. Zombie Thor, zombie Doctor Strange, zombie Daredevil, zombie Elektra, zombie Kingpin, I really wish they had a zombie Spider-Man. What's going on with you, Ant-Man? Another not so mini. So inside we've got slots for when you unwrap this stuff. You can put your heroes one side, your zombies the other. Same with these, you've got an extra slot to be able to separate your piles. Keep it all nice and neat in your boxes. I didn't notice Spider-Woman in there. Then again, Spider-Woman's not overly noticeable. But there you have it, guys. That is all the boxes.